Hello friends, welcome to our channel Cbse English, the Topper's Choice. In this video, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions of class 9th, third poem from the book Beehive Rain on the Roof. Here we go. Question number 1. Who is the poet of the poem Rain on the Roof? Options are Robert Frost, Subramanian, Coates Kinney, or W.B. Yeats. And the correct answer is Coates Kinney. Question number 2. What does the poet listen? Options are the sweet music of insects, sweet music of piano, the sweet music of raindrops, or none of the above. And the correct option is the sweet music of raindrops. Question number 3. What are the humid shadows doing in the sphere? Options are sleeping, resting, floating in the air, or doing nothing. And the correct answer is floating in the air. Question number 4. Tick the correct word for a repeated part of a song or a poem. Options are tinkle, shingles, refrain, or none of the above. And the right answer is refrain. Question number 5. What poetic device has been used in starry spheres and darling dreamers? Options are metaphor, alliteration, personification, or all of these. And the correct answer is alliteration. Question number 6. What revives the sweet memories in the poet's mind? Options are busy schedule, daily routine, raindrops falling on the roof, or none of the above. And the right answer is raindrops falling on the roof. Question number 7. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Options are A B C B D E F E, A A B B C C D D, A B B C C D D E, or A A A B B B A B. And the right answer is A B C B D E F E. Question number 8. Which of these words is the use of the literary device of onomatopoeia? Options are bliss, shadows, shingles, or patter. And the right answer is patter. Here, onomatopoeia means the use of sound words. Patter is the sound created by raindrops falling on the roof. Question number 9. What does starry spheres mean? Options are places where stars are born, sky filled with stars, stars in the sky, or all of the above. And the right answer is stars in the sky. Question number 10. What is the favorite activity of the poet during the rainy season? Options are listening to music, eating snacks, roaming on the roof, or listening to the patter sound of the rain. And the correct answer is listening to the patter sound of the rain. Question number 11. Who are darling dreamers in the poem? Options are children, mothers, family members, or poet's memories. And the right answer is children. Question number 12. What is the memory that comes to the poet's mind repeatedly? Options are his mother, his friends, his siblings, or none of these. And the correct answer is his mother. Question number 13. What is bliss in the poem for the poet? Options are his memories, his mother, press a pillow while listening to the sound of rainfall, or all of these. And the correct answer is press a pillow while listening to the sound of rainfall. Question number 14. What haunts the poet? Options are his friends, sounds of rainfall, his mother's memory, or none. And the correct answer is his mother's memory. Question number 15. What weeps in rainy tears? Options are poet, darkness, poet's mother, or none of these. And the right answer is darkness. Question number 16. What does woof mean? Options are dreams, memories, woven cloth, or none of these. And the right answer is woven cloth. Question number 17. What are shingles? Options are tiles on the roof, window pane, wall, or none of these. And the right answer is tiles on the roof. Question number 18. How does the mother look at the children? Options are with hatred, with sadness, with pity, or with fondness. And the right answer is with fondness. Question number 19. What does cottage chamber mean? Options are type of bed, a room in the cottage, a separate building next to the cottage, or all of these. And the correct answer is a room in the cottage. Question number 20. Which of these is not a sound word? Options are tinkle, patter, hiss, or cottage. And the right answer is cottage. Question number 21. Recollections mean dash. Options are memories, dreams, nightmares, or none of these. And the right option is memories. Question number 22. Where does the tinkle cause an echo? Options are mind, heart, stomach, or none of these. And the right option is heart. Question number 23. What does the poet feel when he listens to the refrain? Options are his mother's wise teachings, his mother's affectionate smile, his mother's kind heart, or his mother's fond look at him. And the correct answer is his mother's fond look at him. Question number 24. What does list mean? Options are listen, a list, write down, or none of these. And the right answer is listen. Question number 25. Tick the correct word for rectangular wooden tiles used on roofs. Options are tinkle, shingles, refrain, or woof. And the right answer is shingles. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.